Welcome to Restry Health Channel. In this video we will talk about how to lighten skin color, how to whiten my skin in a week, aesthetic advice to lighten the skin, medical methods, and natural recipes contribute to skin whitening. Skin whitening, possessing pure white skin, free from any defect, is the dream of everyone, especially women, as it is an important addition to beautifying the external appearance, because the skin naturally may appear on it some dark spots that cause darkening of its color, such as the spots that appear in the stage of aging, which indicates a person has advanced in age, as well as spots, or the effects left by the love of youth behind him, and too much exposure to the sun has a great role in darkening the color of the skin, so many try to search for products that may help them whiten their dark skin, and there are many methods, whether medicinal or natural, that will whiten the skin in the least time. Factors that cause darkening of the skin. There are a group of factors that affect skin color, making it tanned, including excessive exposure to sunlight, skin irritation, acne traces, age spots, side effects of some medications, as a birth control pill, malnutrition, environmental pollution, bad lifestyle. Medical methods for skin whitening. There are many medical methods used in skin whitening, such as retinoid topical creams. They are topical creams that contain specific acids such as alpha-hydroxy acid, retinoic acid, which work to exfoliate dark cells, and thus work to remove them, and help build new, lighter skin. Laser technology. It is a technology that relies on focused laser beams, so that they are shed on the dark skin, which works to remove it, revealing white skin underneath, but this may be accompanied by some bad side effects, such as redness and swelling. Peeling. It is a procedure in which certain materials are used so that they are placed on the dark skin so that it works to exfoliate the dark skin cells, revealing new skin without defects under it, but this method may cause skin irritation. There are some tips to lighten your skin tone naturally and get a flawless look. 1. Get enough sleep. Get enough sleep. It may sound strange, but it is true. Lack of sleep can affect your skin and face because your body needs 7 to 9 hours of sleep. You need to give your body enough time to rest. While you sleep, your body boosts blood flow to the skin, which means you wake up with a healthy glow on your skin. But if you do not get enough sleep, your skin may look dull and lifeless, and do not forget the appearance of dark circles as well. It is recommended to use a night cream to lighten the skin, and I will put it to you. Link it below the video in the description. 2. Drink enough water. Drink enough water to get hydrated and radiant skin. You should drink at least 8 cups, or 2 liters, of water a day to stay hydrated. Drinking lots of water will improve the texture and appearance of your skin by eliminating toxins. 3. Apply sunscreen. Even indoors, you need to protect your skin from the harmful rays of the sun when going outside, and even indoors, as the rays can penetrate the glass as well. Apply sunblock lotion, and I will also put it to you. Link it below the video in the description, or spray generously all over your body and wear sunglasses, a cap, or a scarf to protect your skin from the sun and pollution. 4. Moisturize your skin. You need to moisturize your skin with a daily moisturizer, and I will also include a link below the video in the description, or a face oil twice a day. Moisturizing will help you get rid of dry, flaky skin and make your complexion look radiant. Moisturizing will give an instant boost to the health of your skin. 5. Massage your face with olive oil and honey. To lighten your complexion, daily massage olive oil and honey on your skin. Mix 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of honey and massage it on your skin for a few minutes. If you have oily skin, add a few drops of lemon juice. Then rinse your face with lukewarm water. This home remedy will give you a more radiant complexion. 6. Facial steam. This deep cleaning method will open your pores and clean out all the dirt. But instead of using regular water, boil lemon peels in water and then use the water to steam your face. Do this for 2 minutes and then pat your face dry with a soft, damp towel. This will enhance your complexion. 7. Use cold rose water. Rose water has an anti-inflammatory nature, as it reduces the redness of your skin. Sprinkling cold rose water on the face will make your skin refreshed and also boost it. The best thing about it is that you can use it any time of the day. 8. Exfoliate your skin. You need to exfoliate your skin to get rid of the dead skin accumulated every day. Use a simple homemade recipe by combining 2 teaspoons of rice powder with a little coconut oil. Rub this mixture on your skin to get rid of tan and improve your complexion. 9. Face mask. Make a homemade face mask using some unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of ripe banana paste, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix all the ingredients and massage it on your face for a few minutes. Use a warm cloth to remove the mask. This cut will improve the texture of your skin. 10 natural recipes for whitening the face. To make a natural face whitening recipe, mix 2 teaspoons of orange peel powder or lemon peel powder with 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Apply the paste on your face to remove pigmentation and also to whiten facial hair and get a glowing and white complexion. Natural ways to whiten the skin. Many natural recipes contribute to whitening the skin, such as orange recipe. Orange can be used as an effective recipe for skin whitening, as it contains many important elements for skin health, such as vitamin C, and it also contains natural whitening properties that enhance its effectiveness. The method is: ingredients, 2 tablespoons of orange juice, a little turmeric powder. Mixing bowl. How to prepare: bring the bowl, and put the ingredients inside. Mix the ingredients well. Apply the mixture to dark skin, and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Wash the skin with water. Repeat the recipe daily. Papaya recipe. Papaya contains properties that enable it to remove dark skin cells, which are accumulating on the surface of the skin, making it a great recipe for whitening the skin and making it fresh and healthy. The method is: ingredients, half a cup of fresh papaya chunks, a teaspoon of honey. Mixing bowl. Preparation: mash the papaya pieces well to get a smooth, thick paste, and put them in a mixing bowl. Add honey to papaya paste, and mix the ingredients well. Put the paste on the skin, and leave it for 20 minutes. Wash the skin with warm water. Wash the skin again with cold water, and leave to dry. Repeat the recipe at night before bed. The recipe is suitable for normal and oily skin. Coffee recipe. Coffee contains many important elements that benefit the skin. It has natural exfoliating properties, and it contains strong antioxidants, which makes it a great recipe for skin whitening. The method is: ingredients, half a teaspoon of finely ground coffee, some coconut oil. Mixing bowl. How to prepare: bring the bowl, and put the ingredients inside. Mix the ingredients well. Apply the mixture to the skin, with a gentle scrub for a few minutes. Leave the mixture on the skin for a few more minutes. Rinse the skin with warm water, then with cold water. Repeat the recipe 2 to 3 times a week. Aloe vera recipe. The aloe vera plant contains many valuable benefits for the skin, as it has natural cooling properties that help in renewing its cells, repairing the damaged part of it, and it also has properties that help whiten dark spots on the skin. The method is: ingredients, aloe vera leaf, scraping tool, small bowl. Preparation method: open the aloe vera leaf, and using a scraper tool, take out the inside of the gel, and place it in the bowl. Apply the gel to the dark skin, and leave it for 30 minutes. Wash the skin with water. Repeat the recipe twice daily for at least 2 weeks. And thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate the alerts button, watch more health videos on our channel, and share this video with your friends to provide benefit to everyone. See you in a new video. Take good care of yourself.